Good morning, Birmingham. You've got Cliff Long here again at MIPIM in Cannes, France 2015. We have a very special treat on today. One of our guests is the social media director and with MIPIM, and her name is Joanna Cantwell.
Yep.
Joanna, say hello to Birmingham, and then I have just a few questions I'd like to ask you.
Hello, Birmingham.
Now, tell me about how long has MIPIM been operating now?
Oh wow, we're definitely in the double digits. This is I have to check back because I've only been with the company for 3 years.
Okay.
We're definitely over the 20. This is the 26th edition.
And when I saw the outside, I noticed there was a MIPIM Japan, a MIPIM.
Yeah.
I think I saw one in Turkey. So MIPIM actually occurs all over the world.
Yes, it does. Not all over. We're in full development because we recognized MIPIM here is really for an international market. So it's quite fascinating how many people come here every year. This is like inward and outward investments, and it's really about building on a very global scale.
Okay.
And then we've also established MIPIMs in other countries like UK, in Asia, in Japan, and soon we'll see what happens. Also in London, actually. And those are, I'd say they're more for regional markets. There's obviously, you're going to have some international movement coming in, the developers and the investors that are looking to develop in the region, but it's really focused in those particular regions,
Okay.
it just goes a little bit deeper and it's a little bit more focused in those regions.
I've noticed one thing as I've gone through, there's so many lenders here, there's so many investors here, there's so many municipalities and governments. It's kind of hard to miss that if you've got a project that's ready to go, there's somebody here that's ready to jump on that project with you.
Absolutely. I mean, this is why people come to the show. We're really building the future and cities of tomorrow, and it's the show that you have to be at in order not to miss an opportunity to meet the right person to make those deals happen.
The key word she just said was cities of tomorrow. If you want to be a city of tomorrow, then you need to be here at MIPIM. And we're speaking not just now to our Birmingham community, but we've got several other communities that you may or may not have heard of: Huntsville, Montgomery, Mobile, port cities, cities with ports, cities where industry comes in. We've absolutely got to get them involved in MIPIM. And so we're looking at bringing a larger delegation next year because I just can't see this happening without our partner and sister cities.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, if you had one thing you wanted to say to the people back in the States before you go on to your next meeting, go ahead and say that, and then we'll get you moving on.
All right. I love you guys. I love America. I miss home. I'll keep it really simple. But please know what we're doing here. We're doing some amazing things here, and it's really for the benefit of the people. And I can say that from a personal perspective. And we're really, really happy about what's going on here. And we look forward to seeing more Americans take part in this whole global scheme, because investors now and developers, they're definitely looking stateside, and they're looking to get really active and to collaborate, even on a city, like public and privately, to collaborate a little bit better and to make the cities of tomorrow more sustainable.
Well, Birmingham is pledging to make it happen for our realtors, both residential and commercial. We're pledging to be at the table when these deals are made. We're pledging to bring these people back to the great state of Alabama so that our people can prosper in business. This is Cliff Long. I'm signing out from MIPIM in Cannes, France. Thank you all for attending this conference with us this week back home in Alabama. Look forward to seeing you all on next week. Take care, God bless, and have a great weekend.
Bye.